Some people prefer privacy. Others purchase 2 acres in Calabasas. 30,000 square feet. We measured twice. Eight bedrooms.
Enough to lose your husband. 16 bathrooms.
One for every emotional state.
Do you play tennis?
No.
Neither do I.
The pool feels
Adequate. Is it excessive?
Absolutely.
Would we change anything?
Not a single chandelier.